I've heard it said that people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are learned to do to help us not to grow if we let them, and we help them in return. No, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who I am today because I knew you. Like a moment from another as it passes through. Like a stream that meets the boulder halfway through the world. Who can say I've been changed for the better? Because I knew you. I have been changed for good. It well may be that we will never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, so much of me is made of what I learned from you. You'll be with me like a handprint on my heart. And now whatever way our stories end, I know you have rewritten mine by being my friend. Like a ship alive from its mooring by a wind of the sea. Like a sea dropped by skybird in a distant wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you. Because I knew you. I have been changed for good. And just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness for the things I've done you blame me for. And then I guess there is blame to share. And none of it seems to matter anymore. Like a calling falling as it passes its mooring by a wind of the sea. Like a sea drop by a bird in the wood. Who can say I've been changed for the better? I do believe I have been changed for the better. Because I knew you. Because